Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. What we're showing you, this is a baby Waukesha. It's the 006 model. It's meant for a low GPM. It's got a 1-inch port with an 1.5-inch tri-clamp connection. It's driven by a nice Euro drive motor for severe duty. And you can see that it's set up to run at a very slow rate. That's a lubricant you see there we have on the lobes. You don't want to run them dry if you can help it for too long a period. It's in very clean condition. Lobes, the internal parts of the pump, the tolerance, very good. It's really set up to only pump about ½ gallon a minute. In order to change that, you'd have to change the motor. It's set up with a very low speed gear reducer. We have lots of Waukeshas and sanitary and positive displacement, air operated, moino, gear, centrifugal, almost all kinds of pumps in our stock, as well as everything in process and packaging. So we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.